Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udo Creatives. Today we will be doing a simple nail art tutorial and demonstrating how to draw a snowman. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials, which I will add in the description below. First thing you want to do is apply blue gel nail polish. The reason I'm doing this is because the color blue is associated with cold. And it also has a good contrast with white, which is what our snowman will be. Next, I will apply glitter powder on my blue polish base. Next, I will draw the snowman. For the snowman body, I will be using my dotting tool and pointed brush to apply white gel nail polish. Notice how the pointed brush gives a good amount of precision. Next, I will use my dotting tool to apply black gel polish to draw a hat. For the eyes and buttons, I am using my dotting tool. Finally, I will use my pointed brush to apply orange gel nail polish for the mouth. And there you have it. We have gone over how to draw an easy snowman using nail art. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udo Creatives for more art content.